We're here at the University of Bristol Vet School, which has been funded through CL and the university with assistance from Innovate UK, and it's available for industry to use for research purposes.
This is a farm, but it's a research farm, so we've got a lot of flexibility. We can run both broilers and laying hens in here, and we've got specialised equipment for both. We've got 8 rooms, and they're all individually isolated, so we can control the temperature, the lighting separately, we can control ventilation separately. We have a world-renowned behaviour and welfare group, as well as immunologists and microbiologists, and we also work collaboratively with other CL poultry facilities.
We're in one of the laying rooms now, and one of the projects that we did in here is looking at keelbone fractures. The keelbone fractures affects somewhere between 60 and 90% of laying hens in commercial flocks, and of course industry is very keen to reduce this because it's a major welfare issue, and it also potentially affects productivity as well. And what we have here is some footage showing how the birds transition between different parts of the room, particularly the kind of high perches, how much time they spend on the litter, how much time they spend on the slats. So we're basically trying to get an idea of whether it makes any difference to the behaviour of the hens as a result of having a keelbone fracture. The next study we're going to have in here is feeding insects to chickens. Insects provide a sustainable food source for chickens and crucially do not involve the consumption of food that could otherwise be given to humans. These will be live insects, and chickens are very keen on foraging for live insects, and that could be a very beneficial thing from the point of view of their behaviour.
Birds probably see the world in a slightly different way to mammals. They have 4 receptors, and mammals, like humans, only have 3, so they see a different spectrum of light. That is quite important to how they detect things like colours and feather patterns on other birds. So the study we're going to be doing is looking at specialist light frequencies for broiler production. They behave in different ways under different types of lighting. And if you can provide them the closest to their needs, then you can influence the behaviours, you can probably influence what they can see, and there may be effects on production and positive effects on welfare and behaviour as well.